All right, so finally, after probably pretty close to 2 weeks of not riding, we are back on the bike. It's not going to be for too long today. It does look nice out now, but they're saying it's going to start snowing in about in a couple hours, 2 hours or so. Yeah, it looks nice that way. Does not look nice that way. Did go out for a short ride earlier. Didn't bring the GoPro, just running some errands, but figured, you know what, if it's going to snow out tonight, we're not going to get another ride in for quite a while. Starting a new job this week, so that's pretty busy. Might as well get a ride in. So, or at least a ride that ride with the GoPro. Thinking we're just going to go down Colfax, maybe run into some other Grom guys. I don't know. Should already be warmed up. I just got back not too long ago. Yeah, neutral. What's going on here? So I got about 200 miles at this point. Definitely feeling quite a bit more comfortable. The chicken strips on the back tire are almost down to nothing. You know, obviously it's still a little apprehensive. It's sandy, salty. Hasn't been overly warm out or sticky out any day I've had the bike, but definitely feeling quite a bit more comfortable. Really enjoying this bike. Might be a bit shorter of a ride than anticipated. It is actually getting a bit chillier out than it was just 30 minutes ago, and you can see it's definitely pretty dark towards downtown, but yeah, we'll try to hit downtown and swing back. Thinking we'll turn around once we hit the Capitol. It is getting a bit chilly, dark out, and like I said, they did forecast a couple inches of snow. Really would rather not deal with that. Well, I am actually recording a video. Don't stand a chance against the Challenger next to us. Deceivingly nice weather today. It's getting kind of warm again, so I think we'll keep riding a little bit. Why not? See if that kid catches back up. So here's what it is. Without the sun, it is brutally cold. With the sun, it's actually not too bad. But without, I am freezing. Alright, this spot is looking pretty empty and it is getting very cold, so we are gonna head back. Actually, let's go see how Ruby Hill's looking. Hi. No, I was just going to the park.
Okay.
Can I just skip through? Is that okay? Or where is I haven't been here with the testing start, so I can. Oh, thanks.
If you, the road is blocked.
Is it blocked so I can just go around?
Just go this way.
All right.
And there's a parking lot on the other side of the park.
Okay.
So you take this road.
Oh yeah, no, I'm familiar. I just didn't know if I could cut through, but okay. Thank you. Totally could pass the driver's license test if I felt like it. Cool, looks like it's still recording. I mean, this was just a quick little ride, but you know, thanks for watching. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to keep seeing this type of stuff, and feel free to leave a comment. I read them all. Thanks so much. Have a great week ahead.